Qimin Liu is assistant professor of art in painting and drawing. He has studied art in China and the United States. He received a Master of Arts degree in painting, drawing, and printmaking from Iowa State University and a Master of Fine Arts degree in painting from the Pennsylvania Academy of the Fine Arts.
I knew I want to become an artist since I was very young. Once I saw my nephew with his artwork. That time he only a couple of years older than me, and I amazed. So I started try to find some papers and color to draw myself. Then I found out I have some talent. My father and mother that time also surprised by my talent, so they are very supportive. My social realism environment, which is that time we have cultural revolutions. We have a lot of posters around the house and around the city and the buildings and even in the movie houses. So I very much admire those artistic approach with large painting technique. I prefer like a little bit larger scale, particularly with my homeless series. At my early homeless series, those men on the street is almost 5 by 6 feet high, and sometimes 7-8 feet long. Those size like equivalent to a real person. Who are laying down on a bench or street. So I saw that those images just give you an illusion of reality. Under the Sky is my later series. I think I consider it the most significant series of this project. I initially started from travel, and with my travel plan, I start from East Coast and to the West Coast. So I took thousands of pictures as initial materials to start this project. So I working on like roughly maybe 30 pieces of this portraiture of homeless people. When I call Under the Sky, because I want to refer those people who have no roof on the head, so it's Under the Sky. This is Under the Sky series number 3. In this piece, you can see I use very simple of color, and sometimes brush, sometimes just use a petty knife, or even just a painting knife. With a very simple color, one is just sienna mix a little bit ultramarine blue, and start quickly as underpainting, and then apply a little bit thicker paint on the top gradually. People always discuss what are we going today's painting. So I thought with my process of figurative painting, gradually I try to search what painting can be. One of the struggle of contemporary artists who working figuratively is, is always referred to old fashions, sometimes nothing new, and all done before. So I kind of disagree about those thought and means, because I thought no matter what kind of medium you use, figuratively or abstractly, you always can reflect today's society.